In the typical scenario, many savers will come to us and maybe they've been to a money manager or been pitched the idea of turning over their life savings to a fee-based money manager. Now again, we charge fees under our Charles Schwab platform, but you're going to see in many cases our fees become much lower because of something we call the Split IRA concept. So this is actually pretty simple. Basically, if you go, we'll call them the other guys. If that money manager is charging 1.5% on $500,000 that you turn over to them, basically every year, they're going to revalue this, but basically they're going to charge you $7,500 a year based on that calculation, whether you do better or do worse. That's just how it works. But look at Tony Walker Financial. Let's say we set it up this way. We have three different buckets, A, B, and C. One's a Schwab bucket. One is something called a multi-year guaranteed annuity, and bucket C is an income annuity. So here's how the fees would work on this. If we put $150K in this bucket, $150K here, and $200K here, basically this bucket would run $625 plus $800 a year. This has no fees. This is 1.2% charged by the insurance company. Again, that's an income rider product. We do not get that fee, but even if we add that in, so you've got that of $2,400 a year, but if you bring that all total, what is that? $3,825 a year in fees. Now you might say, well, that still seems like it's pretty high. Well, you've got to understand, all the planning that we provide is included in that fee. All of the trading, you get to meet with the owner of the company and have complete access to all of our local staff for that fee compared to this. And then you take that over 20 years, folks, that could be hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime that you could save in fees. So this looks like something you want to go through a free fee analysis just to look at your situation and how it might compare to Tony Walker Financial. Log on right now to TonyWalkerFinancial.com, TonyWalkerFinancial.com. Let's get started. Or if you like, call us anytime at 877-499-9255.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like, check out these other clips. And be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button for more videos.